We welcome you to Integrative Nutrition for Life video presentation.
Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is one of the most essential nutrients your body depends on every single day. It's the spark that helps turn food into energy, and without it, your entire system slows down. This vital nutrient supports the foundation of daily strength and long-term wellness. Chemically, vitamin B1 is a water-soluble compound with a formula CHN4OS+. It may look simple, but this tiny molecule plays a massive role in keeping your brain, nerves, and metabolism functioning at their best. Its structure allows it to move quickly through the body to support essential processes. Inside your cells, vitamin B1 becomes thiamine pyrophosphate, a coenzyme that fuels energy production. It helps convert carbohydrates into usable energy, powering your muscles, organs, and especially your brain. This conversion process is crucial for maintaining steady physical and mental performance. Your nervous system relies heavily on vitamin B1. It supports nerve signaling, mental clarity, memory, and emotional balance. Without enough thiamine, the brain struggles to stay sharp and energized. Adequate levels help maintain a stable and focused state throughout the day. Multiple studies show that thiamine deficiency can lead to fatigue, poor concentration, and metabolic slowdown. Research highlights that restoring vitamin B1 levels can improve energy, mood, and overall metabolic efficiency. These findings emphasize how essential thiamine is for maintaining daily vitality. Peer-reviewed research also links healthy thiamine levels to improved glucose metabolism and better cardiovascular function. It's a foundational nutrient for maintaining steady energy and long-term vitality. Scientists continue to explore its potential benefits for broader metabolic health. You can boost your vitamin B1 intake through foods like whole grains, beans, nuts, seeds, and lean meats. Even small daily amounts can make a noticeable difference in how energized you feel. Choosing these foods regularly helps support a balanced and sustainable diet. For those who struggle to get enough through food, thiamine supplements are widely available and easy to incorporate into a daily routine. They offer a simple way to support energy and mental performance. Supplements can help fill nutritional gaps when dietary intake falls short. Your body deserves the fuel it needs to thrive. Vitamin B1 is a small nutrient with a huge impact, and giving your body enough of it can transform your energy, focus, and daily performance. Prioritizing this nutrient can help you feel more capable and resilient. Make vitamin B1 a priority today. Your brain, your metabolism, and your future self will thank you. Stay committed to your health journey and continue watching the rest of this series to build a stronger, more energized you. Every step you take now creates momentum for lasting improvement. Like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you never miss an update. We're dropping fresh videos often to keep the momentum going. Jump in the comments. Tell us what health wins you're chasing or what topics you want next. Let's build unstoppable energy and vitality together. Your journey starts now.
Do you have questions, comments, or want expert health tips? Visit the website below and reach out via email today. Connect with very smart, triple certified health coach with years of experience, ready to help you improve your health and well-being.